this way. Okay, I'll take this way. This is new, right? And it smells new, right? It doesn't feel like Vilnius. This is a new part of Vilnius airport. See? It's big, it's huge. What can you say about the new Vilnius airport? Impressed? Wow, really nice. Look at the seats. I didn't expect this. Wow, beautiful. This is the new Vilnius airport. Last time we went to Vilnius, we didn't see this. It's not like this. So these are the new gates. New gates.
That's so helpful.
I guess if you take Ryanair, you're gonna arrive at the old part of the airport because it's a cheaper airline. Not sure about that. I'm just saying that. Yeah, here. So fast. Okay, stop here. This is also the old one. Also kind of like different exit. We don't have to go around. Now it's here. Oh, it's here. Vilnius. Now this is the old part, the original part of the airport. But before we get out from there and come here. Now it's open now here. Bus schedules here on the screen. So you can get out of Vilnius, go to your destination by taking bus. Oh, they're going to Minsk. I think I want to go to Minsk. It's Belarus. They have a bus to Belarus. Nice gold. It's gold. So this is the new Vilnius airport arrival section. So if you wanna wait for Bolt, Bolt is like Uber. It's very famous here and cheaper than Uber. Departures. Nice airport. Very nice. We have ATM here on the left side. That's very nice. I cannot believe. Check in SAS. Ayun, check in SAS.
Let's try.
Yeah, you already checked in. Oh, they have a drop box. Drop your bag. Perfect. It's even nicer than Oslo. This is new. It's even nicer. First, Tiger by touch. Ay, not there. Austrian, Lufthansa, Norwegian, Swiss. I think it's not with SAS.
Maybe we have to go.
No. Check in. Because if you're not around, they're not gonna check in. This one, SS. Here. That's Finnair. This one. Oh, she's free. This one.
Smart, two up. Can be crowded. Stairs up here. Approved with that. Approved.
What is approved?
Airport class.
Goose. Okay.
Okay, now let's see. Security.
Fast track. Oh, so nice, huh? Ay, the water. Wait. I have water. I have to drink it. Allah, it's very nice, you know, I cannot say anything. Well, the security check was a little bit chaotic. Duty free. Why the whole airport smells like a dry wee? I think the one who mopped the floor.
I'll go to it.
Okay. Yeah, here. I'll get water also.
We'll take this.
Duty free?
We have to go to I would like to buy some queen and stuff.
Yeah, let's go.
Meatloaf.
Nice packaging.
Too sweet.
Butterfly.
Buy something. Medus. I want to buy Medus.
Down there, Medus. You like big Medus? It's not cheap, huh? What is that?
All of them is made from kilo alcohol, like this made from honey. All producing
Mead, not meat. Mead also. So I know what's mead.
mead, you know.
Is it here? 15? 15.
It's organized.
So show me what you bought. Show me.
You cannot see it.
Yeah, it's packed. Ah, this one. Yeah.
The Vytautas.
I bought that before.
Vytautas place, castle. And Lithuania was big.
Prieš lipdami į prašymą įdėti šį vežimėlį bagažą į vežimėlį. Iš pažymėti rakina bagažą išimti ličio baterijas ir elektroninės cigaretės bei pasiimtus į svarmėjo saloną. Dėkojame už jūsų bendradarbiavimą.